Hi, Mom.
Hi, how are you, Daddy? I love you.
I love you too. You okay? When you are in a place of self-love and trying to grow out of people pleasing. Friday, Friday, gotta get down on Friday, partying, party, yeah, partying, party, yeah, TGIF, TGIF, TGIF. Good morning, guys. I'm whispering because it's early. Waking up quite early this morning. Me off to the gymnasium, about to get my workout on. Okay. I'm going to work today. I have a live stream scheduled later as well. First, let's get our body moving so that we can be energized for the working day and then for the live stream later on in the evening. Okay, let's go. Guys, that has been an amazing workout. It's just so dry. This is the workout I did. It's by a lady called MadFit. 20-minute full body burn, and it definitely burned. I'm just gonna stretch and then hopefully have something to eat this morning, then head off to work. Whew. Such an amazing start to the day. I love it when I'm so focused and, you know, I do all the things I need to do, my morning routine, before I get on with the chaos of the day. It really zens and centers me. I'm really happy. Maybe let's stretch. Today I've got ham and tomato sandwich with sourdough bread, just a little bit of Greek yogurt left in here, so instead of transferring into a different top, I've just put some honey and some fruit in there, and I'm just taking that with me for a snack. Also taking an apple for a snack, and then I run out of rye bread, so I'm just taking a new packet to put in my locker at work for like whenever I need it. It. Later. What's up, people? It's literally 7:30. I'm literally about to go live. Just figuring it out. I haven't done this in so long. Let's see. Go live. Let's just press it. What's the worst that can happen? Okay, I think I'm live. There's me in the viewfinder. There's the camera and my lights. Let's do this. When you are in a place of self-love and trying to grow out of people pleasing, but I think even a bit of selfish can be good. It's just when it's too much. Like my granddad, you know, used to always say, too much of anything is not good. Like being too nice, being too giving, being too selfless to the point of burnout. As Christians anyway, I know that not everybody watching is going to be a Christian, but as Christians, we do want to serve people and honor them and really sacrifice for them, I would say. Guys, we're done with the live stream and it's Friday night. I cannot wait to rest this weekend. We have done it. We have done our live stream. We've done this week's episode. I wanted to make sure that there was something on the channel, even if we weren't going to upload like a full edited video. It was really nice communicating with, you know, the new subscribers on the new channel. So I will continue doing that, more lives, you know, as time goes on. But yeah, guys, let me go and do some self-love and self-care in the spirit of the live we just had. Let me go look after myself. Good night. What's up, people? Oh, my battery is flashing at me, but I'm literally like giving myself a job that nobody asked me to. Cleaning out the fridge. All these bits were so dirty and it was so icy in there. Literally like cleared it out, washed it out, putting the grocery shopping away. Wonderful stuff. I've overworked myself this lovely Saturday. You know I like to rest on Saturdays usually. I've really overworked myself. I'm going to pour myself a lovely glass of Supermalt. Cheers. Lovely. Oh. Tired. Hey people, it's a lovely Sunday. Is this Zoom day or is my head just this big? Okay, my head is just this big. I'm about to get ready, guys. I'm heading over to the Black Gals Livin podcast. That should be super fun. This afternoon I started the beginning of a hair video. And my hair is just drying and getting ready for like the reveal part. I'm going to sit here, watch a Nollywood movie, do my makeup, do the reveal, and then head over to the Black Gals Livin podcast. They've invited me down to their live show, which is really nice, and I am going with my friend Jane, so I'm really looking forward to that tonight. I'm just gonna put my face on, watch some Nollywood as I do that, and then head over there. So crew, let's get ready. Hi Mom.
I'm good, Daddy. I love you.
I love you too. You okay?
I'm fine.
Ìgbà tẹ́ ti dé ẹnu mọ́ tẹ́ dé àti àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ máa ń ṣe tí àwọn wọ́dàs mi tó jẹ́ kéjì mi di orúkọ yín wà lára àwọn máa ń lò.
My face is all done now. I am going to get dressed and finish off my video and then head off to the Black Gals Livin podcast. This lip is really giving. Okay guys, this is how I'm looking. I'm wearing a black crop top and lovely pink silk skirt. Hair is did, makeup is on fleek. About to go meet Jane and have a great time.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality.
Why though? And then you still get home. I just wouldn't have the small one, the petite one. It's like you're a big man. So should they just swear? I think so. I'm joking. Get the fan, get the fan.
Cause I can see in your eyes, your head.
It was just the dentist slap with the foot. Shout out to Tony Rachel.
I know, yeah, a lot of people are saying like, you can't even do those kind of slaps with your hands. So how are you doing it?
I told you, you went to gym.
It's full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be
It's Abby. It's Abisoye.
ready. You don't have to be.
I just have to say thank you to every single one of you for coming out tonight and celebrating and supporting Vic and Jazz, Black Gals Livin, second live show. I can't lie, you were phenomenal. Vic and Jazz, thank you for continuously giving us content, giving us vibes, and keeping us going, especially in times when we're like, you know what, I'm just ready to just run off. But we appreciate it.